The robotic waiter system has slowly changed the whole food industry by providing a cheap, convenient, easy to use and efficient system which provides customers with a futuristic experience. For this robotic waiter project, we have chosen to explore the Yum-Cha approach as a solution after multiple failures of line tracking and obstacle detection. Here's a drawing of the floor plan. As we started to develop the code and draft the general scaffold, we wanted to lay down the basics first of how we wanted the system to function. As shown in this code, there are movement commands and we are currently experimenting with repeat functions in order to serve and stop at every table. We wanted to test little bits of code separately so it was easier to prevent any major problems later on, and so we can debug in little sections. We were aiming for a more structured approach for our waiter system. After some discussion, we did a lot of testing to check if the angle, speed and movement distance was accurate. Some values still needed to be altered and retested at each step for more accurate movement of our robotic waiter. Whilst the main code scaffold works very well, we experienced some problems with the turning angle. It kept on going off course while we wanted it to go down a straight line, so we kept testing the angle value. While we'd also tried to adjust the amount of times the move and stop is repeated since the robot line of movement kept going off the floor plan. Overall, our final product was very successful and met all the requirements we wanted to see.
After all variable changes have been made for the final draft code, we moved on to talk about automation and changing it so that there is an automated time, but the customer can request more time by pressing the button. This allows consumers to have more freedoms and less pressure so that they are able to freely enjoy their dining experience. The end model is similar to real-life models and solutions that could be used in a real-life situation. This is the end model of the robotic system on a Yum-Cha approach. It moves accurately down a single aisle and stops at every table. The process is automated, but also gives customers choice for how much time they want and need.